The truth about crypto. The truth about crypto is it's all going to zero. You're looking at an unregulated market that is 24 hours a day all over the world. The truth about crypto is this project that some influencers pumping, this project that you think is going to change the world, it's not. It's not going to change anything. Something else is going to come out. The new shiny object is going to come out, something better, some other project that has a twist. There is always going to be something different. If you look at a timeline of how crypto has been moving, I mean, they are shifting positions, taking each other over constantly. The truth about crypto and the sad reality is that it is to be traded. The days of hodling coins is over. You need to have a target. You need to have an entry that's based on something, and you need to pay yourself. The problem that most people have in crypto is they think that they're going to sit at the casino, a $1 trillion casino of an unregulated market, and they're just going to win the house. Nobody ever sells. It's easy to buy and it's hard to sell. It should be the opposite. It should be hard to buy and easy to sell. You should know how to get targets in crypto. And just so happens that Tactical Edge, that's what we do, right? We can show you some simple tools on how to and where to take some profit. Here we go. Let's look at Solana. All right, here, I have all these horizontal levels here. Those don't really matter. I can get those out of there. And I'm just going to use one simple tool, and this is a fixed range volume, right? Technical analysis teaches me that this price action here, sideways price action, is consolidation. Price consolidates when it's figuring out what its next move is. You can see here we had a long consolidation, right? And that long consolidation ended in a big impulse. The longer the consolidation, the bigger the impulse. So now, where do you get in? Where's the best place to get in? Well, if you simply take this fixed range volume profile tool and you drag it from the beginning of a consolidation to the end of a consolidation, you start to see where everyone is in the market. So let's say this. Let's say we got this fixed range volume here, and this green line is the point of control. This is where the most buyers and sellers were in the market. Now, the market has a memory. When it goes back, all these people who bought here, which was the bulk of them, are going to make a decision. And a lot of times when you have something like Confluence, maybe let's take a Fibonacci from this all-time low here. Come on. Ooh, to this all-time high here, you could see, well, what do we got? We got a little bit of a golden pocket right next to a point of control. That's a very good sign. You also have a 786 at a value area low. Now, maybe we can even do this. Maybe we say they come down here and anchor a VWAP, right? The anchored VWAP is telling you the fair price of an asset from a significant point. So here you have your bottom before it really started to take off. So you want to say that if price started to take off and volume started to take off, well, where are those two meeting? Where is the fair price, right? Because price can go up really fast, right? And it might outpace the actual volume. And as you can see here, what's happening right here in this area? We've got all these factors that are starting to line up right here. So a lot of people would say, Brian, Solana's not coming down to 147. Hey, you know what? I probably would disagree. Stop listening to these influencers who are giving you opinions based on nothing. Here it is, the cold, hard facts of it for the last, how long is this? For the last 598 days, this area here of 147 is where the most people in the market are. So that tells me that when price comes down to that level, I'm going to wait for a reaction. If I get a positive reaction, I will buy. Now, one thing I know about this, which is value, once you understand value, you will think about the price differently. Poor people look at the price tag. Rich people think about value. So they know that price fluctuates. It goes from value area high to value area low, to the point of control, to value area high. Then what? To value area low, if not the point of control. Knowing these simple things is really how you are going to make money in crypto. Applying a couple simple little tools and technical analysis that we will continue to bring you here day after day to help you on your crypto journey. Just don't hold it to zero. Pay yourself, know where you're in, know where you're wrong, and know when to pay yourself. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.